thanks so much for today. I took lots and lots of notes and pictures and screenshots, and so I'm going to go through all of that tonight when my brain has had time to settle down a little bit. But I'm just so grateful. Ron and Jordan, thank you for putting this together. All the coaches, all the team, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This has been amazing. We're only on day 3. I can't wait to see what happens over the next few days and how God continues to grow the vision that He is planting in my heart and in my spirit for the next however many years of my life.
I'm so happy that I did come into this challenge to get the help and seek the help that I could use because I absolutely have all the skills, the education, the wisdom, the compassion. I love just helping people, and if I can help see a smile on somebody else's face, then that just makes me happy. So I'm super excited for what's to come from here, but I just wanted to let you guys know that if you have something, that meeting with Pastor Joe was definitely life-changing for me.
But I got in that car and I decided to, because I had given up. I had nothing else, no other things to try. I'd lost hope. But in that moment of surrender, of saying yes to God, I'll go with you, I'll get in the car, my life completely changed. And I found that rock bottom became the perfect place to build a solid foundation. See, I had a realization. I was actually deceived. I had religion. I didn't have relationship with Jesus. And the thing is that when you're deceived, you don't actually know that you're deceived. That's kind of the art of it.
During the process where we had to learn about who, what, and how. And so I finally narrowed it down, and my aha moment was for women with children and helping them to come out of a situation from just survival mode and going into thriving. I always thought it was kids because I always loved to work with kids, and I was in children's ministry for a while, but it's actually something else. And so thank you for the challenge. I'm so enjoying this. You guys have a great night.
The funnel, that Jordan explained, like the first page, second page, third page, it was just so easy to comprehend what he was saying. So I really appreciate what you guys are teaching us, Ron and Jordan. I really appreciate everybody that chimed in and had more informative things to tell us about their experiences and what they were going through. And I thank you for the prayer, how you listen to the Holy Spirit, how you stop the class and pray when you need to pray, because God be moving and you hear the Lord. So I really appreciate how y'all on one accord, even picking winners for certain things. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I'm so glad to be a part of this class. Thank you.
After I got aware of the deception, I realized that everything I had been through could now be used for good. Romans 8:28. I was being equipped this whole time. I was being prepared. I was being trained. I was being mentored for the next steps in my calling. The failures, even being a salesperson at the furniture store, failing in school. My story of addiction gave me passion for others that are struggling with addiction or abuse. I had victories and failures, and I found that they were stepping stones. They were almost like they were ordained or something. I don't know. But it was like a perfect path that God had for me to become a Christ-centered coach.